Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are enjoying our previous video. In last video, we have read about Cerntral. Now, his family migrate near Delhi after the partition of India and Pakistan. As time passed quickly, I finished my studies and started working. My Amma and Baba wanted me to get married. I was thinking before getting married, I should repair my old house and build one more room. In those days, in cities, houses, cement were being used for building of house. We also planned to use cement. We used iron and cement made our new roof. In those days, unbaked bricks or raw bricks were also available in market, and we used raw bricks to make wall of house. Bricks were useful and hence we need not to coat wall every week. Now in a year we once whitewash on wall in our new house. I got married and my wife name was Suman. To cook food, Suman used to sit on floor in kitchen. We used mat to eat our food in kitchen. It was very happy and good time. In those days, there were no toilet, so people used to go outside of house for toilet. Though some houses has separate place for toilet. We also made a small toilet with raw bricks behind our house. More changes in my new house. My 2 sons and 1 daughter were born. With the passage of time, children completed their education. 15 years ago, my daughter named Simi got married and moved to Palwal, a small town in Haryana state. When Raju, my son, was about to marry, we feel need of to make ready our house for new bride. By that time, everyone was using bricks. We also use them in same way to change our house. We also used lintel for making roof. We also used marbles and cement to make roof. Now we made bigger kitchen. Raju's wife does not use clay chulha. Now she used stove gas for cooking. Seeing new things, my younger son Monjo moved to Delhi for job. Now he stays with his family in Delhi. Suman and I stay with Monto for some days in a year in Delhi and with Raju for some days in Sona. On the way to the Delhi from Sona, we see many things like so many high and tall buildings. Now I am 70 years old. During these years, I have seen many changes in my life. Even in my own house. I have no idea about the place where my grandchildren will live and what kind of house. And I also wonder about my old friends, where they are and how they are. Now it's practice time. Different kinds of skilled persons are required for construction of a house or building. These persons are given in the table below. Find out what work they do and fill up the table. Name of person: architect, plumber, electrician, mason, bricklayer, carpenter, painter. Work that person does. होप आज का कंटेंट आपको समझ में आया होगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।